Welcome! Today we'll see construction vehicles from Archie's toy store. So the first construction vehicle is a concrete mixer. A concrete mixer is used to mix cement and water. The next construction vehicle is a flatbed truck. A flatbed truck is used to transport heavy loads. Then we have a road roller. A road roller is used to flatten the rough road surface. The next construction vehicle. It is used specifically in agriculture. It is a harvest machine. Harvest machine is used for harvesting variety of crops. The next vehicle is also used in agriculture. It is a tractor. A tractor is used for plowing, harrowing, sowing the farmland. So these are all the construction and agriculture vehicles. Thank you for watching.